Today I am bringing to you one of the hottest bikes currently in the bike market. This is the XLab GT8, and I can't tell you enough about this. This bike is pretty awesome. Just going over the specs, we got full carbon wheels. We have GRX Di2. We have power meter, carbon seat post. We have a bike that's capable of running 700 by 55s or 29 22s. We have carbon stem, carbon handlebar. We really have the full shebang here. This bike is gravel race ready. It is adventure ready. We have triple bosses on the fork. We have two bosses up top. We have bosses on the bottom. We have our water bottle mounts. This bike is capable of anything that you throw at it. Really just an amazing deal, and I think you should come in and test ride one.